Before we proceed to our new lesson for today, I have here a short video clip which you need to focus on for you to answer this question. So, guide question. What is the main theme or topic of the video? And then second is, what did you observe in what you watch? And then, number 3, how attentive and friendly is the restaurant's staff?
Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Sunrise Restaurant. Have you met a new service?
Yes, I am Brother Sabajan.
May I have your name?
Yes, my name is Azaria Bianja.
What is Azari? Let me check for your reservation. Order the Azari, a table for one, no smoking room area, and your table is in the window.
Yes, correct.
Alright, Azari. Let me show you your table. Alright, Mr. Azari. This is your table. Please.
Thank you.
From the video that you watch, what is the main theme or topic of the video?
For me, ma'am, the topic of the video is about restaurant and staff.
Very good. What did you observe in what you watch?
I observed the proper way of how the waiter welcome and greet the customer when the customer is coming, ma'am.
Exactly. How attentive and friendly is the restaurant staff?
The proper way of how the waiter assists, greet and welcome the guests, and also they always smile and have an eye-to-eye contact to the customer.
If you're a graphic organizer about welcoming greeting guest procedure, you need to do is give the appropriate procedure in welcoming greeting guests. Who wants to volunteer? Yes, Jessica. Yes. Thank you, Jessica. Will you read Marilyn, the first procedure? Acknowledge the guests as soon as they arrive at the restaurant. Will you read Joseph, the second procedure?
Great guests, need an appropriate welcome.
Thank you. And the last procedure, will you read Jolly? Checking reservation. Thank you.
Before we proceed to our discussion, do you have any idea about this picture?
Yes, ma'am. It is waiter, ma'am.
What do you call the female waiter?
Hostess, ma'am.
Exactly. What about the male waiter?
Host, ma'am.
Very good. So if they are together, what do you call them?
Restaurant receptionist, ma'am.
That's right. Thank you so much.
Why first impression is important in welcoming and greeting guests?
If the impression is not good, it will affect to the restaurant.
Exactly. First impression is important in welcoming and greeting guests. If the first impression was not good enough, it will affect to the dining experience of the customer and not be a potential of repeat customer, and that be a big no in the business industry.
The first procedure in welcoming and greeting guests is acknowledge the guests as soon as they arrive at the restaurant. Acknowledge the guests as soon as they arrive at the restaurant is important to provide excellent customer service. Mahalagang huwag nating paghintayin ang ating mga customers sa entrance. When the customer is arrived at the restaurant, open the door, give a pleasant eye contact, and give a smile. Hand gesture and eye contact to the guest is important when you're welcoming and greeting the guest. So the second procedure is greet guests with an appropriate welcome. Welcome guests with an appropriate greetings according to their gender and time of the day. Address them with the appropriate greeting for the time of the day. Let's just say, for example, a man enters the restaurant. So you're going to greet him saying, "Good morning, sir," or "Good afternoon, sir." But if you know their name, greet them with their name, which is their last name, would let them feel that they are important and they are welcome to the restaurant.
So class, let's proceed to checking reservation. So class, do you have any idea how to get reservation to your customer? Give me some example or scenario.
Ask the name first, ask the day and time, ask how many people will be in the party. Repeat the reservation details, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, when welcoming and greeting guests, it is important to check the reservation details like how many people attend, what preferences they have, and to put them at a table that is comfortable for them. So, first of checking reservation is welcoming the guest. Siyempre, pag once na dumating sila sa may restaurant, kailangan na napaka-importante na i-greet natin sila. This make them feel welcome and appreciated. So, next is, siyempre, check reservation details. So, look at the reservation information. Ito yung mga naka-include doon. Siyempre, yung number of people, yung references. So, sa number of people, how many guests are in the party. Then, makakatulong kasi yun para ma-prepare nyo yung tamang table para sa kanila. And then, sa references, do the guests have any special requests? This could be dietary restriction, prepared seating like a window seat, or any celebration. Then, next is comfortable seating. So, ini-ensure dapat natin na pumipili, dapat tayo na komportable sila doon sa may table, yung guest natin. So, this means enough space for everyone, considering any special need. Example, yung easy access for elderly, for children, ganon.
Today, we're having a role play, performing the role of guest, host, and hostess of a restaurant.
Okay, sa ating role play, meron tayong dalawang grupo. So, ito na yung group 1 and group 2. Tapos, mamimili lang kayo ng situation na gagawin nyo sa inyong activity. And then, basahin nyo kung ano yung mga napunta sa inyong situation.
Ladies and gentlemen want to celebrate their wedding anniversary and create their own restaurant name. Together with her 70-year-old mother, she made a reservation via telephone 5 days before the party. As a receptionist, birthday place does ensure family.
Then, yung group 2,
Situation 1. Mr. Guzman was newly appointed Chief Executive Officer in the company he served in. He planned to celebrate his promotion together with his family and close friends at Create Restaurant Inn. And then he made reservation via telephone to his report.
Here ang criteria for judging for your role play. I will read. The first one is eye contact and smile. For excellent, 20 points. Maintains consistent eye contact with guests and treat them with a warm and genuine smile. And for good, most maintains eye contact and offers a friendly smile to guests. Fair, occasionally make eye contact and offer a smile
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Sunshine Restaurant. Do you have any reservation, ma'am? Meron po. Before 5 days before. What's your name, ma'am? Okay, this way, ma'am. This is the reservation. Thank you so much, Group 1. Now let's proceed to Group 2.
Good morning, Master. This is the Arts Restaurant. How may I help you?
Good morning. I was a reservation for my family for in March 9th.
May I know your name, sir? And the time?
9 a.m.
And also, how many people attend your reservation?
10 persons.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your reservation? Your name is Heaven Makapagal and the time is 8 o'clock and the date is May 22, 2024 and the people attend your reservation is 10. That's all, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Group 2.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to the Arts Restaurant. Do you have a reservation? May I know your name, sir? Okay, sir. Your reservation is 9 o'clock. The date is March 22. Good for 10 person. So, this way, sir.
Thank you so much, Group 2. Okay, your score for your date, Group 1. Yung performance is nakuha nyo naman yung eye contact and smiling and proper gesture. And you got 94. And for Group 2, ay maganda naman yung pagkaka-welcome ng receptionist sa inyo. And ang isa lang nakakita ko is yung inulit na yung reservation details via telephone calling is para